Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to play the Cookie Run Kingdom in your PC, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is simply open your browser and simply search for the most popular Android emulator, that is BlueStack. So simply search for BlueStack, and here is bluestack.com. You can find this page where you will be able to download this emulator easily by simply click on this download BlueStack button, and it will download your setup file or the exe file here. Then you have to simply click on that, and you have to follow the prompts on that appears on your screen. Then when you have downloaded done the installation process, then you have to simply open the application of BlueStack. Now when you have just opened your BlueStack application, it will take a load and download some additional files, so you have to wait until it is downloaded. Then you have to do is, when you find this interface, you can find, let me just show you, here it's loading actually. You can click on this home icon, and then you can simply click on this folder here, and you can go to the Play Store. So when you are on Play Store, you can search for Cookie Run Kingdom. Here it is. Now you can find this game here, and you will be allowed to install it, and you can easily install this game and play it on your this BlueStack Android emulator. So you have to simply click on install and wait till it's just download some additional files. So that's pretty much all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.